Hi friends, welcome to Elite Shorthand Dictation channel. English Senior September 2021. Question Dictation with text. Begin. Ladies and gentlemen, at the outset, I would like to pay my tribute to the great poet Bharadiyar on his birthday. I have great pleasure to be with you today to take part in the International Bharadiyar Festival, and I would like to thank the organizers for inviting me to address the gathering through video conference. I am pleased to present the Bharadiyar Awards for this year to the great scholar Thiru Vishwanathan, who has dedicated his entire life towards the research on Bharadiyar's works. I appreciate him for actively pursuing research on Bharadiyar's works even at the age of 86. You are aware that Bharadiyar was a poet, writer, social reformer, freedom fighter, and much more. He was a multifaceted personality. The learned people who spoke before me mentioned that he was known as Mahakavi, which means a great poet. I take this opportunity to inform that he cannot be linked to any single profession, and I would like to bring to your kind notice that his contribution to the society had been published in 16 volumes. I would like to point out that in a short span of 39 years, he wrote so much, and his songs on nationalism induced the masses. To support the Indian independence movement in this connection, I would like to point out that he was considered as a national poet due to his number of poems through which he urged the people to work strongly for the liberation of country. You are all aware that the British government arrested Bharadiyar as they felt that his writings influenced the patriotic spirit of Tamil youths. I would also like to bring to your attention that even in prison he spent his time writing poems on nationalism and the country's welfare. I am confident that all of you will agree when I say that he considered Tamil language and motherland as his two eyes. You are well aware that he was against caste system, and he declared that there were only two castes, men and women, and nothing more than that. I am of the opinion that his preachings are a strong reminder to us to remain united, and his writings are guiding light. I would like to bring to your kind notice that he was of the firm opinion that any society that is divided will not be able to succeed. I would like to inform that through strong words expressing greatness of ancient India, he warned that simply living in the past glory is not enough. I would also bring to your kind attention that he was advocating big move towards progress in the field of science and technology. The next point I would like to submit is that Bharadiyar's most important vision is empowerment of women. In this connection, he was of the opinion that women should walk with their heads held high and looking people straight in the eyes. We are inspired by his vision and working towards the attainment of this goal. I am happy to inform you in every sphere of activity of the central government, topmost importance is given to the dignity of women. I will also like to add that 15 crores of women entrepreneurs are funded by various schemes of the central government. I wish to inform you that today women are becoming part of the armed forces. I am saying with confidence that the country is in safe hands as imagined by Bharatiyar. I am happy that Bharatiyar had close links with Varanasi, which I have been honored of representing in Parliament. Letter from Karthikeyan and Sons, Coimbatore to Messrs. Gopal and Company, Madurai. Dear Sirs, we are in receipt of your letter dated the 5th instant requesting us to supply the various items of goods manufactured by us. We take this opportunity to thank you for the orders placed, and we assure that we shall send some of the goods ordered by you within 3 or 4 days. With regard to other items, we wish to inform you that at present they are out of stock. However, we would like to assure you that these goods will be dispatched to you during the next few days. We would like to inform you that we intend to manufacture some new articles for the benefit of our customers. We have great pleasure in enclosing herewith a list of these items and price list, and we request you to kindly go through the same very carefully. Our representative who is on tour in your district will meet you and give further details in this regard so that you may be able to appreciate the usefulness of these articles. We would like to assure you that prompt attention will be given to your orders as and when they are received at our end. We are happy to inform you that we offer attractive discounts for bulk purchases and prompt payment. We solicit your kind cooperation and await your orders for the supply of new articles. Yours faithfully.